Yung mga idol, kumusta? Uyod boxing fanatics nga pala. So sa video na ito ay pag-uusapan natin itong mga posibleng makakalaban ng ating pambato. Walang iba kung hindi itong former 3 Division World Champion at nag-iisang angas ng Pinas, Jandrel Cuadro Alas Casimero. So ito po ay base sa nakalap nating impormasyon mga kauyod boxing fanatics. Dahil bilang mga Filipino boxing fan ay isa po ito sa mga hinihintay natin na i-anunsyo na ang laban ng ating pambato at kung sino man ang kanyang posibleng makakalaban. So isa nga dito sa mga prospect mga kauyod boxing fanatics na makakalaban ng ating pambato ay itong si Sam Goodman na number 1 sa ranking sa IBF. So ang pangalawa nga dito ay itong si Liam Davis mga kauyod boxing fanatics na may kartada nga itong undefeated. At ang mas pinakamatunog sa lahat ay itong si TG Duhene na magkasing dikit lang ito ng ating pambato sa rankings dito nga sa WBO. At may kartada nga itong 25 na panalo at 4 na talo. At isa nga ito sa nabanggit ng head coach ng ating pambato at kanyang kapatid na si Coach Jason Casimero sa kanyang live na alam na nila kung sino ang makakalaban ng ating pambato ngayong taon at kailan mangyayari ang Naoya Inoue versus Casimero.
Alam namin sa team namin kung kailan magaganap yung Naoya Inoue, kung kailan yung nalalapit na laban ni Utol ngayong taon, pero hindi namin inuunahan yan.
He's got him with a now. He's given it. He's got him with a body shot, was it? And he's in trouble. All over the place. He's in real trouble. He's got to buy some time here and make Casimero miss. Casimero needs to pick his punches, and he can't find the clean shot, and he falls down. Is he okay? Casimero wants to finish it right here, right now, and finish it he has. The title changes hands in sensational fashion.
Crowned the new WBO bantamweight champion, Casimiro's ambition and self-belief reached new peaks as he began calling out those at the top of the food chain.
You know I'm strong, man. Inoue! Where Inoue? Come on, man! You're a monster? Motherfucker! No, you are no monster. You are a Chinese, Japanese turtle. No monster, man. Come on. You next.
Earning a chance to prove himself at the highest level, Casimero was to face off against the distinguished Cuban, Guillermo Rigondao. Casimero imposed himself in the first round, giving Rigondao a taste of his power, forcing the Cuban onto the back foot as he avoided any exchanges over the course of the lackluster fight.
Yo! Cuadro Alas 3-time world champion ng angas ng Pinas, Batang Ormoc, Jandrel Casimero. Guys, kung bago lang kayo sa YouTube channel na to, Uyod Boxing Fanatics, so ano pa hinintay nyo? Mag-subscribe na! Let's go!